in Arizona this morning, people are still feeling the impact of this huge dust storm, known as a haboob, by the way. The wall of dust just seemed to swallow up Phoenix and its surrounding area. The storm darkened the sky and nearly blinded drivers. We have some video of what it looked like on the roads, near zero visibility for drivers.
We are in the middle of a haboob.
I can see Idaho highlights and brown like the dust.
And
Wow,
can't
it's blowing up? No.
see anything. We're in the middle of the haboob. We're in our car.
I think it's clearing up. We can see a little bit in front of us.
I think there's a car behind us, but we're kind of...
No. Yeah.
Okay, I can see the house on the corner here.
It's like end of days. You can't see anything from inside. All right, we have other new video that shows kind of just how dark things got as it moved in. Just look at that. At Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport, the storm's 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts shredded a connector bridge and caused major delays. Really can't get over just how tall that wall of dust is there. And there was a weekend dust storm in Nevada, too, that blew through the Burning Man Arts Festival. Unclear if the people who were actually there realized what was happening. That's a different story. CNN meteorologist Allison Chinchar joins us now with the latest. I do have to say that the video of what's happening or what happened in Arizona and Phoenix is just extraordinary.
It is. And the thing is, these happen sometimes in the desert Southwest because you have that combination of those strong thunderstorms that will come in, but also all of that dust that's laying there. Take a look at this time-lapse video behind me. You can see that wall of dust coming racing into the city. But then once the dust clears, then guess what we get? That's right, raindrops, because the rest of the actual storm is now starting to come through, because that's what causes all of this. It all stems from an actual thunderstorm that is moving into the area. So let's talk about this. Yes, the official name is called a haboob, and basically what it is that you get the outflow from these particular thunderstorms that come through. And what it's doing is it's picking up all of that dust that's basically on the ground, and it's starting to churn it and spin it and push it in the same direction that the thunderstorm is also going in. So you get that big wave of dust out ahead, and then you get the thunderstorm back on the other side of it. So let's take a look at the breakdown. This is last night around the time of the storm. So this is Monday at 8:30 p.m. You can see this is the thunderstorm in question. The temperature at that point was 101 degrees, okay? Gusting winds maybe about 20 to 30 miles per hour. Then you fast forward about 15 minutes. The temperature has now dropped down to 91 degrees, winds jumping up to around the 60-mile-per-hour range. Then you get a few minutes later, 79 degrees, and look at those winds. 70 miles an hour. Again, the temperature in 30 minutes dropping 35 degrees and those winds jumping all the way up to 70 miles per hour. And then just a few minutes later, you then also get the rain that comes through on the other side of the system. And again, here is a look at the forecast for you. Again, you can see we are going to still have the potential for some of those showers and thunderstorms yet again today, not just for Phoenix, but for a lot of the surrounding areas, which means you could in turn get more images just like this one that you see right behind me.
Yeah, really stunning to see. I have questions for our guy Pete Montine too. What happens to these airplanes once they're covered in dust? Can they take off? I mean, do flights get off? Boy, quite a thing. All right, Allison Chinchar, thank you very much for all of that.